This package right here was left on my doorstep, and I look at it and it's from Project Mew. If you don't know who Project Mew is, he's the one who sent me that really cool vintage mystery box. But before we get into the mystery box, I want to open a bunch of different goodies. Okay, well, let's first see what's in the main package. I guess it's from Project Mew, obviously. Yeah, last time I opened a Project Mew box, I think I got an OG Diamond or Pearl pack. I think those are actually guaranteed a holo in every pack. But this one, I have no idea what to expect. Whoa. It's a box this time, and it reflects my Ring camera really, really well. So find one vintage pack and modern pack, graded slab, or another vintage pack. Graded slabs, PSA, BGS, CGC only. And here are the packs you can get. Wizards of the Coast, EX era, Heart Gold, Diamond and Pearl, Platinum, Black and White, and Topps Chrome. I guess if I want anything, I guess it would be the EX packs, because those are really, really cool. If not, probably like Wizards of the Coast, because I haven't opened much Wizards of the Coast, so that'd be really cool. But we're gonna open this thing last. But I first want to open these two products right here, the VMAX Deoxys box and this cool little Pokeball. I guess we can start with the Pokeball, because I don't know if you guys can see there, the amount of dust on this thing. This has been sitting on my shelf for like more than a year. I have no idea what kind of packs to expect or what year this was even released. Okay, I'm rubbing all the dust on this mouse pad. Let me just open this up quick. Okay, the wrapper's off, and let's see what kind of packs we can even expect from here. I'm gonna assume, whoa, okay, I was gonna assume like modern, like, well, this is modern, but you know what I mean, like Evolving Skies are, I was really loud. Evolving Skies are like Chilling Reign, but wow, these are old and crinkled up. Rebel Clash, Vivid Voltage, and Cosmic Eclipse. I guess that's two cool, I mean, one cool set out of three. So let's just open Rebel Clash. Rebel Clash, honestly, don't really care for this set at all. I don't even know like what you can pull. I guess a full art would be nice. Can't you pull like Boss's Orders from this, or was that Sword and Shield base? Squavette and nothing. Before I forget it, I'm actually gonna give away all the modern packs from today's video. To enter the giveaway, make sure to number 1, subscribe with notifications on. Number 2, leave a like on the video. And number 3, let me know down below what you think of today's video. Okay, so let's go back into opening Vivid Voltage. The funny thing about Vivid Voltage is the first time I ever opened this set, I pulled the main like chase card, which is the Rainbow Chonkachu. It's still one of my favorite cards. It graded a 6 for some reason. I'm honestly just waiting for like one day I just man up and just crack the case and just resend it to PSA and hopefully get a better, you know, grade. But this time we get nothing. And moving to Cosmic Eclipse, honestly, I think last time I opened Cosmic, oh no, I knew that was gonna happen. I never know what orientation the codes are gonna be in. That tin was a dud. It's okay, because we're still gonna open this Deoxys VMAX and V-Star box, which I think is really cool because Deoxys honestly does not get enough love. So we get 4 packs over here, 2 Lost Origin, 1 Astral, and then Brilliant Stars. This big like Deoxys card, V-Star thing, like I hate these. And these are the promos that comes with. Here's the code card for that. So we got Deoxys V, Deoxys VMAX, and then Deoxys V-Star. Let me know, what's your favorite version of Deoxys? Mine, honestly, either normal or defense. Well, let's just get to opening our last couple modern packs. And then I'm super excited to see what's in the mystery pack or box or whatever it is. Do you think it's gonna be like one of those god boxes? I don't believe those until I actually pull one, okay? Those are myths, those are legends. You can't pull a god box with like a million trillion like cool cards in it. Dude, we have not gotten anything this entire video. Astral Radiance, Dialga, alternate art, please. I'll even do the pack trick for this one. Just please. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back to the front. There's a little ding over there, so I hope it's not the Dialga. Dartrix, Trekking Shoes, Rufflet, Quillfish, Rowlet, Quillfish, Oshawott. Whoa, there we go. Something from the trainer gallery. We got Piers. It appears to be our only hit from today's video, unless Brilliant Stars can get us a really big hit, which I'm really praying it does, because I did pull the Charizard V Altart, but it graded a 9. So I'm trying to chase it. Whoa, something shiny. Okay, I kind of spoiled it, but there's something shiny right behind this. Ooh. Gramble V. I mean, it's just a pink dog, I guess. Why is it humanoid? Every Pokemon they make is like humanoid. But it doesn't matter. These two are going to one of you guys. Okay, enough with the fun and games. We got Project Mew 2 Mystery Box. Or is it Project Mew Mystery Box 2? 100% guaranteed vintage pack. Okay, let's go. Again, no idea what you can get from these. I mean, I'm hoping for the EX, like I told you from the beginning. Wait, do I just open? How do I mean, when I figure out how to open this, I'll definitely be happy. But to be honest, this packaging, this design is really, really cool. Props to Mew, man. Okay, at least we know it's like armored cardboard or something. Oh, there you go. Woody. Okay. I'm actually kind of nervous. I have no idea. Recording. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, it's hidden. Okay. Lifting the first sticker. Black and white is the pack of choice. And then what's under there? It's a graded card, I think. Oh, wait, hold on. Fossil first edition? Yo, I was really hoping we get a pack instead of a graded card. I love opening these packs. Okay, let's get the, even though this is a really cool box, but I'm gonna put it out the way. Wow, 2 packs. Is this like considered a god box? Like, what is this considered? Am I super lucky? I don't know if I'm super lucky. If I am, please comment down below if you've opened any of these boxes or if you plan to open any of them. You know what's weird about these black and white packs? I don't know if you can see, but there's like a weird stripe going along like the middle of it. I've noticed a lot of these packs from like the black and white era have these. I have no idea what it is. And then we have vintage, really vintage, aka the 3rd set I think of Pokemon ever, or the 2nd. I forgot which one came first, Fossil or Jungle, but wow. Oh wow, it has the same thing. It has a little line going down the middle. I wonder what, I really don't know what that is. Okay, well, we're gonna leave the Fossil first edition for later. Let's first open this black and white. One thing I'm really hoping, I think from last video, you know, is the Reshiram full art. I'm really hoping for one of those. No code card. Is it 3 from the back? Whoa. That's weird. Why is the code card in the middle? You guys can have the code card though, but it's 3 from the back. I think. Okay, we're good. I have no idea. I might have messed up the pack trick, but Maractus. We got Maractus, Volabi, Minccino, Pampor, Blitzel. That was the artwork of the thing. Oshawott, Reverse Tepig, I'll take it, and a non-holo. Okay, I mean, I'll take a reverse starter. That's definitely one of the ones I wanted, I guess. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be a 9, like maybe an 8. The quality on these black and white packs, man, they were never that good. But it's time for the main event of the evening or day, or I don't know. First edition Fossil. God, I'm actually praying there's a holo. I'm so hoping there's a holo. The one I really want is Lapras. Or, wait, is Dragonite Fossil or Jungle? Oh no, how could I have forgotten? 3 from the back, 1, 2, 3. Is it a different color? I have no idea. Sometimes people spot like the color difference of a holo. I don't know if you can do that with this set. But we got number 1, a Golbat first edition, Magmar first edition, Ghastly. Wow, these are awesome. That Ghastly is probably gonna get graded. Those are sick. Shelder, Zubat, Recycle. I think we're coming up on the holo after this, maybe? Oh no, we still got a couple more. Horsey and nope, and ooh, Hitmonlee first edition holo. Let's go. Wow. At least, dude, we got a holo pull. That's sick. Let's look at the quality of it. Let's look at the quality. I don't see any print lines. I don't know if you guys can spot any. Centering, decent. A bit top heavy, but let's see the back. A couple like white spots over here, but honestly, sometimes graders look over that. I mean, this is definitely a solid 9. Like, I feel like it also has a chance of getting a 10, but I mean, we're just gonna have to find out and see. Wow, still so shocked. I haven't gotten like a holo from one of these packs in forever. But that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks again to Project Me for sending me this mystery box. Had a blast opening the Fossil pack. I love anything Wizards of the Coast like vintage. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. Bye bye.